Medical texts for patients are not fit for purpose. How can we make them better? My research focuses on improving the comprehensibility of medical texts for patients in translation. Studies show that documents such as informed consent forms or patient information leaflets are too complex to be understood by their non-expert target audience. This issue becomes even more challenging when these texts are translated from one language into another, as medical translators can sometimes exacerbate these comprehension issues through their translation choices. In my work, I analyze the linguistic features that make medical texts difficult to understand for patients. And I also investigate ways to help medical translators produce more patient-friendly translations using technology, such as machine translation and speech recognition tools. My aim is to produce best practice guidelines for the pharmaceutical industry, medical translators, and health regulators on how best to write and translate for patients. My work is diverse and very hands-on. For both my PhD and projects within my research group, I test and use translation technologies, speech recognition tools, and eye tracking equipment to run experimental studies with practicing translators. I also work with text-based data and build corpora on which to perform linguistic analyses using specialized software. Outside of the lab, I strive to meet with relevant stakeholders, such as pharmaceutical companies, medical translators, and leading academics in my field to collaborate and discuss my work. I also actively take part in academic and industry conferences and have co-authored several papers with colleagues in my research group. Understanding medical communication and making informed decisions about one's health are fundamental human rights as codified in international law. Thus, improving the comprehensibility of medical texts for patients, whether in the original or in translation, helps promote patient empowerment and autonomy for a better, more effective healthcare system. Joining the CTV has given me the opportunity to actually work as a researcher in parallel to pursuing my PhD in translation. The University of Vienna as a whole is unparalleled in the variety of resources, courses, and support available for young researchers, which is why I'm proud and happy to be part of it.